It's literally thousands of birds that sit on the wire. I mean, literally thousands of them everywhere. On these lines, wire lines, electrical lines. And you can hear them chirping. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. It's one of the favorite things I like to see when winter is coming. It started to change. The cool air started to come in on yesterday. Today's October 24th, I think it is. Look at those birds. See those? They're on all these. All those are birds. And when they all... Look at that. Wow. Look at that. All those are birds.